So I thought I'd do a short screencast video to show you guys where everything is on Google Classroom. I don't know that all the teachers are going to be doing things the same way, so I thought it might help to show you how I envision the classroom. The stream, pretty straightforward. I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. Here's my office hours. I explained this a little bit more in a different video, but these are the times that I'm going to be available for you guys to answer any kind of questions you have. And um, this is the classwork. I have resources and notes for you guys. So periodic table, obviously, and my Zoom information. So for Thursday, when we start, I'll be in Zoom and from 11 to 1. So you guys can just drop in and say hi and ask me questions if you have any. Our first assignment on Thursday will be something really simple and short, nothing crazy, just kind of get back into the swing of things. And here's more detailed expectations. These aren't live yet, but there's a document that explains what I'm looking for from you guys and a recording as well. And Q4, that's where all the new work is going to be, obviously. Q3 is all the old makeup work. If you have missing grades, this is where you want to start right away and start, figuring out what you need so you can get your grades in and finalized. That'd be awesome. That's basically it. So, look forward to working with you guys. I wish it was in person, but we'll make it work. It's going to be awesome. And it won't be all worksheets, I promise. All right. Talk to you guys soon.